Right, a bit of... Alexa was trying to say something then.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Electricians has arrived. By the way, I can make trips to the shop easier by helping with your shopping list. Try saying, add milk to my shopping list.
No. Like I was saying, I just had a knock on the door, so let's have a look what's here. Right, I actually thought it was other stuff that I'd ordered off Amazon and eBay. I needed some cable numbers, etc. But it is my... I'll just turn the camera around. Right, let's do a... What's it? So I've been wanting a smaller type claw hammer for my tool bag. I'm trying to go lighter. So I decided to give this one a try. It's quite heavy, which I did need a heavier one, but it's quite compact as well. You can see the head, it gets into the corners, especially when you're clipping, and the jaws for pulling out are quite straight rather than an ordinary claw hammer. So over the next couple of days I'm going to give it a try and see what it's like and get back to you. Anyway, it's a Wearer. I think that's the way you say it. I've always called it Wearer. In fact, I've got to order some new pliers because I lost my Wearer pliers. I don't want any of these Napit ones. I couldn't get ones that do the job that I wanted, because I do electrics and alarm. I tend to use the same cutters for both, and I've had my other cutters for about a year and a half, 2 years now, and they're starting to wear out. So I'm going to be ordering a new set of cutters soon. Anyway, that's it, etc. I'll take it out of the pack, do another close up, and I'll start using it. Okay, back again. Right, so I don't know if you can see that. So that's roughly about the size. That's what I bought it for, that head there. Could also go in the slot inside your toolbox, you know the D-ring. I tend to keep these things on the back or the side of my bag. Anyway, I get my bag, put it on, see what it's like. So, right, I'm using the Vito Tech Pack. It's quite a big bag. It's obviously a rucksack. The reason I've chose that one rather than like an ordinary carrying bag or a toolbox or something like that is because when I'm working in Birmingham, you very, very rarely find parking easy. You usually got to walk quite a distance to your job. So with this, I've got everything inside it apart from my meter. I have got a small meter just inside this inner pocket here, just for doing some minor testing. But in a nutshell, I can get this straight on my back and carry all my tools, and then put my meter bag separate. So I've got all the load bearing stuff on my back, because sometimes, especially if you're working through Hardbourne, parking is atrocious there, so you tend to have to walk some distance. So with this on your back, you don't actually feel it, although it is quite heavy and it's bulk out like Billy. Let's open it up, let's show it. So that's what it's got in it at the moment, and I am missing my I found them. That's the trouble. Right, these are the ones I've been looking for. I don't know why I missed them, so I don't need to order them. I know they're old and I don't know. Let's get the sun shining through them. Can you see them? I mean, they're well used. But right, I don't need to get no new cutters. I think it was just an excuse for me to get some new cutters. Anyway, that's what's inside. I carried the glue gun because I do alarms as well, and sometimes you can't really put a contact on a new composite door. Or some are wireless, and I really just don't want to drill composite doors, not from brand new. Of course, I'm all say it's great, etc. Put some of this stuff down over here. Another nice little gadget. A DeWalt laser finder. It'll get that. You get the laser pointer here. Just about make it out. Yeah, it'll give you ideas of measurement and stuff like that. Anyway, that's just a brief idea of my toolbox, what it looks like. Let's get that back in there. It'll turn off automatically. So at the moment, because it's compact and beige, that's the one I'm using. That's all right for in between floorboards, but I do want to have that there. So just put the camera down a bit, I think. So that can live there. Yeah. I mean, if I need another one, I'll put this over there. I can't imagine what this is going to look like on film. Right, so I've got the old one over there. Like, I'm going to try that one because sometimes you do need to do a lot of hammering, clipsing, stuff like that. That one gets a little bit tedious because you haven't got enough throw on it. But hopefully with that one it'll do the job or not, and I don't know, get rid of that, put it in a different toolbox or something. Anyway, I'm off to work now. Like I said, my delivery's come, which is that. I thought it was something else, but it ain't, it's that. I'm off to work. Bye.